Hello, I'm Rowan, and this seems to be the week of public service announcements. This is number 2. Earlier this week, we downloaded a update to our Intel graphics driver, and our AV1 encoding stopped working in OBS. So we first downloaded another copy of OBS and ran it in standalone mode because that way all of its preferences are completely separate. And we loaded that up and found out that we still did not have the Quicksync AV1 encoding. In fact, we didn't have any Quicksync encoding, which meant that the Intel ARC card was not talking to it. So we determined that there was a problem with the driver, or maybe we installed it incorrectly. So what we did was we reinstalled the driver and we got the same results. So having done it twice and gotten the same results, we determined that the driver had a problem. So you too may have a problem with your driver install, and that may be because you downloaded this right here, GFX Win 101655.9.exe. That is the latest Intel driver that's available from Intel's website for the Intel ARC cards. So that driver killed our AV1, and our solution was to back up and reinstall from last month, from January 5th. Yeah, and that would be GFX Win 101.6449. That solved our little problem. Once we installed it from there, we had Quicksync, AV1, and other Quicksync encoders in OBS again. Having done that, though, we determined that maybe we needed to take a look and see if we had missed an update in the middle. And as it turns out, here we have on the Intel website, this is the latest update, is the 6559, this one right over here. Yeah. And then underneath there, we have 2 non-certified drivers, which at this point I'm kind of curious what it means to be certified, since the AV1 encoding didn't work on a certified version. And then underneath there, what we have highlighted is the latest, well, not the latest, but the one version before WHQL certified driver, which we downloaded and we ran, and we are currently running on 6458, and that one seems to be working fine. We have all of our Quicksync encoders, including AV1, and that I guess is the solution. If your AV1 stops working, then you need to go to the Intel site and download a previous version until you get to one that works. And that's really it. I hope this was helpful. And I hope you had a good time, and that, you might like and subscribe and do all those things that we very rarely tell you to do. But please, if you do that, that'd be great because it helps our algorithm. So until we meet again, bye!